Yo, good morning. Good morning. Let's tuning in at the gym. That's what I like to hear. Yes, sir. Bootcamp 2.0 is here. If you guys haven't seen it already, uploaded the introduction yesterday. Kind of just talked about what to expect out of Fib 2.0, or not Fib 2.0, Bootcamp 2.0. So if you haven't already, definitely make sure to take 2 minutes out of your time today before the market opens. Go watch that video. Make sure you got bell notifications on so you are notified when a new bootcamp video goes up. These are going to be accessible for a limited time only, just like the last bootcamp series that I did. This right here. Now it's only available to channel members only. So if you're not a channel member and you want access to those, all you got to do, head on over to my channel, click this button right here that says join. But the Futures Bootcamp is here. I'll be uploading throughout January. So make sure you guys take advantage of them while they're up. And yeah, let's get into this. I mean, not really a bloodbath. It's just we're making retracements, which rightfully we should be doing so because we were so extended to the upside. Not a bloodbath. But as far as NQ, right, we came down into the demand that we talked about yesterday. Here's our 4-hour demand. We came down, we bounced off of it, got like 100 points to the upside, and now we're pulling back and we're testing the 1-hour demand inside of that 4-hour demand. So let's just go ahead and mark this all out. Again, good morning, everybody. We gotta get live for everybody on TikTok here in a minute. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. So there's our demand. Let's go to TikTok. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button as well if you guys want this watch list posted up in the chat for free. All you gotta do, take 5 seconds, click that like button while I try to figure out how to, let's see, not that one, boom. Go live day trading, education, boom. Cool. Be live on TikTok, baby. All right. Oh, 1 second. All right, let's do this. Cool. So pretty much just to recap yesterday, took a very nice trade. If you guys remember from the watch list yesterday, I told you guys to watch 471.3 for a bounce. So we pull up the watch list from yesterday. Let's see, admin watch list. You can see right here, I said looking for a bounce at 471.29. And then after that, daily 21 EMA, right? So 471.29 is right here. As you guys can see it again, posted this at 8:37. We went over this level in the live stream yesterday, so you guys know how I found it. But 471.29, we came down a little earlier in the day, got very close to it. I did end up taking a nice little pop to the upside on SPY options, but later in the day, I told everybody pull up the admin watch or the admin trading floor because posted it all in there yesterday. Let's see. All right, so at 10:31, said let's see what happens at this 471.3 again. 10:31's there. 10:31 is right here. I will tell you if I take this level again, trying ES long at 10:39. So this candle right here, filled with, or I was filled at 47.75. Caught about 4 points to the upside on the second ES long. First one was only like a couple points. It wasn't anything crazy. Like this wasn't the best trade. But still, very nice move to the upside. Unfortunately, went a lot higher than that. But Team Bull members were able to make some money off of it. So, nice little scalper yesterday off of that level that we talked about. All right. Now, okay, going back to the analysis today. We'll go back to NQ because we're at an important level on that. We just tagged 1 hour supply or demand, got very, very close to it. So personally, not too interested in shorting until we crack 16,576. And then if we break that, we do have a nice Fibonacci retracement, 16,546, and then 16,401 would be the next level. So personally, not too interested in trying to short. If I'm going to look for a reject, maybe that 1 hour 21 EMA would be the level that I would watch. So around 16,712. And that's pretty much it on NQ. Let's see. Okay, we touched that daily 21 EMA yesterday. We're breaking below it. So, yeah, fibs and demand is personally what I'm going to watch. And then reject's going to be up here. So, watch that. QQQ, same thing. Went into that same demand. As you can see, it's over here, 4 hour, 1 hour demand. It looks like we got very close to tapping that. So, personally, if I'm going to be looking for a... There we go. Personally, not too interested in shorting this until we break here and then looking for bounces here and here. If I'm going to look for a reject, it's going to be around 402. So, that's pretty much it on QQQ. We already got all that marked out. There we go. Okay. So QQQ, we're good. Let's head on over to ES. See if we got any demand points. Here's our previous low. Let's see. Not really seeing any fibs. I'd say our best bet on ES is probably that daily 21 EMA. Again, because we haven't tested it in so long. And then after that, we have 4 hour demand way down here. And then inside of that 4 hour, we also have 1 hour. So maybe if we really start pulling, then we could watch that, I don't know, later this week, maybe early next week if it really starts to pull. Good morning. So I'm going to watch that. And then as far as a reject, already touched that 1 hour 21 EMA. Not too fond of any rejects today, to be honest with you. On ES, maybe we can find one on SPY. But cool. It's 47.97's been a pretty big level too. If anything, maybe pivot high, pivot low, and look for that fib. But not super high probability. We already touched that 1 hour 21 EMA, which is what I would have preferred to watch. So I'd say our best bet's to watch for a bounce here. If we lose it, then watch lower 4700s. Cool. So that's everything on ES. Head on over to SPY. Again, good morning, everybody. If you guys want this watch list posted up in the chat, take 2 seconds. Make sure to smash that like button real quick. Got 150 people in here and only 42 likes. Make sure to run it up. Let's see, what are we trading at? 471. That's all the way down towards 460. I mean, again, I'd say our best bet is that daily 21 EMA at 467.77. Obviously, this is going to move a little bit, but I think this is our best bet. Boom. So, watch that daily 21 EMA. Bounce off yesterday's lows. Where's that demand? And then, again, demand's going to be way down here on SPY. So, boom, boom. There's that. And then, same thing. I mean, as far as a reject, really not too interested in any levels. Same thing, if anything, here to here, but not super high probability. So we'll see. But below 470.50, I'd like to see us go down and test that daily 21 EMA. And actually, I believe we have news today. Thought we had ADP. Or is that tomorrow? Tomorrow we got ADP. Just today. I don't even know what day of the week it is. Okay, it's Wednesday. We have a Fed speaker at 8:30, job openings 10, ISM at 10, and then we have FOMC minutes actually today. So market could be a little choppy going into the minutes. I'm not going to be trading the minutes at all, but cool. Let's do this. All right. Well, we got SPY, QQQ, ES, and NQ. So SPX, real quick, 4,700 if we get close. Yeah, 4,700, or we got this little daily gap that we could watch. The market is bullish. So here to here. Cool. All right, let's run through some individuals. Find some setups. See what we can do. Your microwave died yesterday. We're gonna have to make you a bag today, huh? Get you a new microwave. But Apple's still very interested if it got down towards the bounces. 182.65 and then 178.64. So we're gonna wait on that one. AMD 136.26, sitting on the daily 21 EMA right now. I mean, I'd say the market's weak. Actually, no. I'd like to see us lose this 135 on AMD first. So maybe that comes into play tomorrow. Amazon broke below 61.8. Sitting at a pretty big level right here, so not interested in that either. Skip over that. Boeing, nice little gap down. Again, right at that daily 21 EMA is what I was waiting for. However, I think we're below it. Yes, we're trading below it. So, nothing on Boeing, personally. Wouldn't be interested unless we got way down here for a bounce on Boeing. So, nothing there. Coin, pretty much expected going into this crypto vote that they're having. I think somebody said they have until the 10th to finalize it, but running up into the news, sell off the news. It's pretty much what was expected in the crypto world. But Costco don't care about CRM. $53. We're below that 21 EMA, so personally not interested. GLD. If you guys got questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, GLD don't care about. Google, very close to the fibs. I think Google could come into play today if we drop a little bit. Google looks pretty good. 136.18, 134.65. IWM. We'll go back to Amazon once I'm done. But let's see, IWM. Still got a while till I'm interested in that. Meta. Let's see. I want this one at the daily 21. And it hit it yesterday. 343.36. So if I'm going to be interested in this, Might not even be interested in it. Yeah, I mean, down there, you would have to get a little lower for me to be interested. So, don't care about that. Microsoft still in that daily squeeze. Cannot figure out what it wants to do. But gonna keep an eye on this one for a swing. Netflix looks like it's trying to do a head and shoulders. Not really too much setups today. When setting stop losses on calls after using fib levels, how do we translate the underlying stock price to the option price for setting stop losses? You have to look at the actual option chart to try to understand where your stop should be. And if, again, you're a YouTube channel member, there's a video that I have for that in the last boot camp. So make sure to check that one out. I also talk about it in the book, the new book. So if you have that, it's in there as well. NVDA. I'd say with NVIDIA, I mean, we could get a push into like 481.50. Might be interested in a reject. Let's see. Yeah, I mean around 481.30 potentially. So let's throw that on the list. Video. Boom. Of course. PayPal. Let's see, breaking below the 61.8. Don't care about. QQQ's in demand. Roku. Don't care about. Shopify. Don't care about. Tesla. Very close to my bounce. 242.31. So if we can get down there, I'm definitely interested in a bounce. So I actually think today, Google and Tesla is our best bet. So I just went ahead and took off NVIDIA. So if we can get a pullback on both Google and Tesla, and then the market can show some strength, definitely would be interested in bounces. Again, if you guys want this watch list, post it up in the chat for free. All you gotta do is hit that like button. Take 2 seconds to do so. We got 180 people in here and 76 likes. I know you guys can run it up more than that. All right, let's see, 8:29. Let's give the market a couple minutes to settle down, see what it wants to do, get a better reading on the overall market. But in the meantime, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask. Take 5 minutes to answer. Look at any stocks I haven't looked at already. And yeah, then we'll finalize levels and call it a day. Yes, sir. Jose, live every single morning, 8 a.m. Around 8 to 8:05. Yep. We talked about that. We've been talking about that demand zone actually for a while. So came down into it, bounced out of it yesterday, went a little deeper, hit that 1 hour, very close to the 1 hour. And now we're bouncing out. So again, I'm really not interested in trying to short this while we're in demand. Maybe I'll try it up here. We'll see. But ideally, would like to look for calls until we break, and then we can watch this. Actually, we got a little bit of supply right there. Nice little 30-minute. There we go. Cool. We looked at coin. Again, I just feel like they're going to sell off the crypto names going into the actual vote. I feel like that's why they ran it up to begin with. Starbucks, likely just going to go ahead and fill the gap, if I had to guess. Nice little bear flag right there, broke below it yesterday. So, I mean, if you're going to look for a bounce on Starbucks, I'd say 91.94 is your best bet. So, more than likely just going to fill it. got a bunch of small account videos as well. Let's see. SoFi, I think we've looked at this one multiple times, but daily 21 EMA is the level that I would watch. HD. It's got a nice flag. I would watch that daily 21 EMA if it could get down there towards 339. Or if it broke above the flag. But ideally 339 would be ideal. So, nice setup. I just don't really know about the liquidity. Not too sure about that one yet. Branding KO is above monthly 21. It would need to form more structure, but it bounced off the 50% on the monthly. That's why I added a bunch of equity. But if you're looking to play the monthly squeeze, it's going to take another, I'd say, a few months at least to start setting up structure like it did over here before that move up. But it doesn't look bad. It's a very nice monthly candle right off the retracement. Ideally, would like to see it get back up into 67. Let's see, AMD 12.5 to 12.29. Yeah, that's not a bad fib. And then you can watch 133.72, 129.62. If it can get down there. Looks good. Set an alert down there. Cool. All right. Let's finalize these levels now. Alrighty. Yes. I think we're good here. If we get down into demand, we're very far away, but we can watch that. As far as rejects, I mean, not seen anything too important. As far as rejects on SPY, I'd say our best bet is daily 21 EMA for a bounce. So let's do SPY. Watching both SPY and ES daily 21 EMA for a bounce. No good rejects as of now. QQQ. Bouncing a strong demand zone. Cool. Awesome. There's QQQ, Google. Yeah, make sure you guys are running up them likes. We got 180 people in here, and how many likes we got? 117. I'll tell you what, 150 likes, you guys get this watch list for free today. I know you can do it, Google. Ooh. Let's give this watch list to everybody in Team Bull. YouTube channel members, I'll give it to you as well. And then once you guys hit 150 likes in the live stream, I'll give the rest of the watch list to you. All right, let's get the screenshots for everybody. Boom, there's SPY, QQQ. Google. Yep, we do have the minutes today. Google and TSLA. Keep in mind, minutes. Cool. All right, Discord members, you guys are good. You guys got the pictures, you got the watch list. YouTube channel members, give it to you as well. Boom, YouTube channel members got it. YouTube live stream, how many likes you guys at? 130, you need 20 more. 20 more likes, I'll give you the watch list. We could chop. Definitely could. But as always, just waiting for A+ setups. See what the market presents. If it doesn't present anything, guess what? I sit cash. I'll chill. Remember, you don't gotta trade every day. That's why I'm switching the way that I trade to literally maxing out at 3 to 5 trades a week. That's all I want. It'll take a lot of the stress out of trading. Find 3 to 5 super high probability setups and then just take them. Right? You make your money, good. Chill. No reason to take 8, 9, 10 plus trades a week. 3 to 5, that's all you need. That's my mindset for 2024 as well. Heavier size, less trades. So, moral of all that, if the market doesn't give you anything today, market's open tomorrow, market's open Friday, open next week, the following week, etc. Don't have to trade every day. Yep, straight cash. Cash and chill. Cool. Well, while we're waiting to hit the 150 like goal in the YouTube live stream, if you guys got questions, feel free to type them up. Once we hit 150, I'll give you guys a list and we'll be on our way. Let's see, hold on one second. Cool. 11 more. I really like that Google and Tesla though. Those look really good. And for the people that are watching on TikTok, if you guys did not know, I do have a YouTube channel where I am live right now. But on my YouTube channel, I have over 850 plus free videos, and I'm starting my Bootcamp 2.0, which is going to be all about futures. So if you have any questions about futures, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know from A to Z about futures in this Bootcamp series. And again, these videos are going to be accessible for a limited time only for the month of January. So if you want to learn, Head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Again, 850 plus free videos, Bootcamp 2.0, and I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're not subscribed, you are definitely missing out. But do you use 5-minute structure? A lot of traders use it. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, not really, to be honest with you. I just watch my levels. I'm not big on like structure shifts, if that makes sense. Like, I want to know the overall trend, but I just watch levels and watch and see how we react. That's it. Keep it simple. FOMO likes. Getting close. I believe in you guys. 3 more. Yes, sir. Yeah, just keep everything super simple. Don't go information overload, because then you're going to have too many confluences. Two more likes. I know you guys can do it. There it is. Cool. Well, as far as the watch list, as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So, first stock, SPY. QQQ. Hold on. Google. And Tesla. Boom. That's everything I'm watching for the day. Also, if you guys do want to learn more about my overall trading strategy, I do have 2 books on Amazon. First one is going to be 450 pages. I'll throw a link in the chat real quick. 450 pages. Goes over my entire strategy, a lot about higher time frame analysis. So if you want to check that one out, oh my god, gotta do a tiny URL. Hold on, tiny URL. Come on, there it is. Cool. So if you want to get the first book, 450 pages, you can get that right there. That tiny URL. Everybody on TikTok. Here's the link right there. And then if you want to check out my second book, around 320 pages, The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide. This is specifically niched down to day trading, my entire day trading strategy, a lot about Fibonacci retracements and sniper entries. You can check that one out using this link right here. Oh my god, this one needs a tiny URL too. Okay, or don't do it. That's fine. There you go. Boom. Second link is right here. You get The New Age of Day Trading, 320 pages. But as long as you guys are good, I'm good. Hopefully we run it up today and catch an absolute bag. I also think what I'm going to start doing is trade recaps here on YouTube for you guys, just whenever I hop on live. So if you guys want access to those, make sure you have those bell notifications on so you get notified when I do go live. Because there's not going to be a specific time, just whenever I have time to go live and review trades, that's when I'm going to do it. So head on over to the channel, just make sure you got the bell icon on so you're notified when those live streams are happening. But cool. Anybody got questions? Yes, I do have an ebook for both of those. So if you want to get the ebook, either or, the New Age Technical Analysis or the New Age of Day Trading, you get that right here. I don't know why I keep coughing. Same thing for everybody on TikTok. If you prefer the ebook, there's that link there. Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna call it here. Get ready to go print with the fam and Team Bull. If you guys are in there, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a blessed day. Hope you make some money. And I will talk to everybody then. First book and then second book. The New Age of Technical Analysis, then the New Age of Day Trading. Awesome. Everybody have a good day and peace out. Yes. Yes, they are.